Current situation: you get a raised volcano alert level, and you get a newly raised volcano alert level, and you also get a newly raised volcano alert level. This is a brief summary of the current volcanic situation in Iceland, as a day after the directly adjacent Bardarbunga volcano was placed at a raised alert level due to the likely movement of magma. Grimsvotn was also placed at a raised alert level of yellow. However, while we know for a fact that magma is refilling the Reykjanes volcano's magma chamber before its likely next eruption in the latter half of this February, and we presume that magma recently moved at Bardarbunga, the situation at Grimsvotn is quite different. At Grimsvotn, a glacial outburst flood known as a jökulhlaup was first detected to be ongoing on January 8, as you can see in this tremor chart, which continued to get stronger and stronger as subsequent days progressed. At Grimsvotn, these floods can occur for three reasons, which I will now list from most likely to least likely. 1. A short-term increase in fumarolic degassing jökulhlaup underneath the volcano, causing additional ice to melt and build in volume. 2. A long-term buildup in meltwater underneath the glacier due to normal levels of fumarolic degassing. Or 3. A volcanic eruption or the lead-up to one. The reason why jökulhlaups can directly precede volcanic eruptions is that the fairly rapid removal of hundreds of millions of cubic meters of meltwater from its summit area can sometimes cause enough of a drop in pressure on its underlying magma chamber that it can allow magma which was already close to erupting to suddenly be able to break through overlying rock and rise to the surface. Because of this fact, and also since a low double-digit of jökulhlaups are associated with or precede volcanic eruptions at Grimsvotn, its alert level was raised from green to yellow on January 15, 2025. The jökulhlaup in question summit cauldron is occurring at Grimsvotn's summit cauldron, with up to 1/4 of a cubic kilometer of meltwater expected to drain to the south across the next week. This meltwater has already begun to enter the Gigdjúkvísl River, creating the potential for flooding of local roads and bridges, with the peak of this flood expected to occur on Saturday or Sunday. The peak flow rate of this jökulhlaup is expected to reach between 300 and 1,000 cubic meters per second, translating to an event that would overall be rated as only small or medium in size.